I'm Natasha Dickens and my 3-step makeover method works for any renovation. And it's designed so you can DIY too. The first step is to remove the most dysfunctional factor. Changing the door to a sliding one increases the floor space and gives me the opportunity to replace the old trim. After an electrician moves the light switch, it's time to prep and paint. Step 2 is to add a modern element. Cladding the door cavity in Tassie oak creates a lovely feature wall. A frame is built around the door, the hardware goes in, and the fun part is installing the dowel. And step 3 is to improve the function. Designing built-in shelving creates storage and a display area. Once the new trim and sliding door are put up, all I have to do is move in. And doesn't it look great? From small spare bedroom to bright home office, this reno is designed to DIY in 3 simple steps.